Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. Look, I'm looking at the US30. I'll go out to the daily and show you what I've got. I've marked up this, pull that out, yeah. It's the high and low of this green candle balance area. Pull that across. And just taking note that we've got this price gap above here as well. I mean, at some stage, who knows when, but at some stage, this will look to rebalance, I would imagine. Just keep in mind that that's a level of interest. In the near future, today, tomorrow, whatever, I'm interested in a trade opportunity around here. So we've marked up this daily here, and coming back, have a look at this low. Okay, we've wicked under it, so I'm just wondering whether that's enough to get to set up a bit of a rally back up into these levels. So that's why I don't want to get involved short down here. All right, now on the daily we've got this price gap in through here. If you have a look at this red candle, the candle left, the candle right, okay, so we've got this imbalance resting through here on the daily. It gives me reason to think that we could possibly trade up through that. So we'll just mark that up as a level of interest. And on the 4 hour, see what it looks like. Just wait for this to load. Yeah, see that? So we've got a daily distribution here. We've got a daily gap. We have this 4 hour, 4H. So this is this green candle here, high and low. And then we've got this 4H high and low here. The area of interest for me is, if I can just grab my drawing tool, I think it's this zone through here. That's what I'm interested in. So I'd like to see, and also too, if we grab a Fibonacci, let's just pull a fib from this high to the low. All right, so we're looking at a downtrend here, lower highs, lower lows on the 4H. And I'm looking for the pullback. See the 618786? Coincides beautifully with this nested resistance level through here, the 4H and the daily level. So we can see our yellow zone. I would look to get involved if we get a pullback up in here. And the way that I would like to get involved would be setting up possibly, maybe even here to start with. Just get my feet wet with a smallish position. And I've got this sell zone. The other thing I would do then is set up another pending up in around and through, say, in here. And that would be a bigger position size, would be 0.4, and this range is my sell zone, so that's what I'm planning. If we get a move back up in there and I get a fill, that's fantastic. If not, let it go. Stop loss above. Well, we got this daily and 4 hours, so it makes kind of sense. We set up a stop loss. We've got these highs back in here. Don't want to go too overboard with it. Okay, so stop loss something like. By the way, guys, click the link below and have a look at you'll see the link there, We Trade Your Forex account. Check out the statistics and the history of that master account. It might be worthwhile investigating. And also click the link below to join our free Telegram. Love to see you in there. So back to the chart, we've got this setup. That's what I'm planning. So if we grab a short position, I'll just kind of average it out through here, something like that. Go for broke with the risk reward. There you go. Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm thinking. And if this stop gets taken out, so be it. Okay, but you got to manage your risk. See, my position size overall is 0.6 if we add those up. And that will allow me 4 trades, 4 sixes of 24. That's 2.4% of my account exposure at any one time. So if you're trading live funds or a prop firm account, you really have to keep a lid on the risk, and that's kind of how I do it. What else can I say about this? There it is, US30. That's my take on it. I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and see you in the next video.